Kapati naman ang nagnahong mo eh.
Don't cry, Forrest. Papa will get you toys.
Okay, what we got going on, everybody?
Amazon wish list.
Amazon wish list again. Thanks. Who sent this?
All right, well, you have to give me the card so we know who to thank.
Oh yeah, someone. Ah, okay. Okay. And who's this?
All right, who we got to thank?
I say. Patrick from Sir Patrick.
All right, big shout out to you, Patrick. Thank you very much, my friend.
What is this, Maria?
Socks.
Thank you, Sir Patrick.
Thank you.
This is I think this is for Forrest G.
And
Look.
me?
Open them up. Open
How
them
about
up.
for me too?
Yeah, you can have this too. You can wear this tank top too. Look.
There's a lot.
Oh, this is yours here.
And this for Forrest.
They have ribbon and. Oh no! This is for Maria only.
I think that's Maria.
This is Maria only because they have ribbon. So you got a lot of.
I can share some to brother.
For you.
All right, hold them up, Maria. There you go.
This is fit because it's stretchable.
It's fit perfect.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Patrick, very much, my
You
friend.
get a lot.
See? It's
They
for
both need white
girls.
t-shirts for their uniform, and they're both very rough on t-shirts.
Yeah.
This is for girls, see?
Ah, so that's yours, Maria.
All of these are mine.
That's
And
right.
this one is
You can share a couple with brother, right?
I can share 10.
Okay.
This one.
I'm excited what's inside.
It's my son.
Yay!
This is yours.
Open them up.
Let me see. This shield.
Those children's socks? Or,
Can you open? Can you open? Do you have?
No, I'm the cameraman.
Go get a Maria
Scissors.
scissors. Cut Maria then. Who's this?
I love you.
Okay, careful with the scissors.
Careful that.
Scissor safety. Don't cut the sock.
This is mine.
Can you?
Why is the same size? Wait. I will look.
Is this?
Those may be for the bulldog.
Whoa! Look, I almost cut. I will look. Can you put that in there? Back. Thank you.
Of course, G's a little sleepy. He got up extra early this morning.
It's my size.
Me too. I wake up early.
If not, I think the bulldog can wear those, baby. You want to share a couple pair with the bulldog?
This is medium.
What's a bulldog?
Don't worry about it.
Dog. It's a dog. It's a dog.
It's a beautiful dog.
They have a socks for school. Maria. A lot.
These are my dues. These
Patrick,
are
thank
Forrest.
you very much.
Thank
my
you
friend.
so
Thank you.
much.
These
Yay. Maria, count Maria. By
certainly
pair
need
ko na
that.
Maria. Count how much?
White t-shirts and socks every day. The stuff that they need for
Excuse
school.
me,
So
Mama.
thank you very much.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, by
No,
pair.
no.
Oh, by pair. By yan, by
My
pair.
2 pair.
By pair.
That's 2.
That's two.
That's one pair, two pair.
Two.
3 pair.
Ang sakadal. Duha na.
Oh.
Three. Give me one.
4 pair.
Horsey, what you got in your mouth, dude?
5.
Hey. Out
What
your
is
mouth,
for-
son.
And 6 pairs.
There are more in
One
there.
single dad.
No.
Other side of the room. Spots the safety violation.
6, 1,
Okay, let's count these.
Fathers are much better parents than mothers. It's just fact of
2,
life.
Both of them
3,
are good.
4, 5, 6, 6,
Forrest,
7,
you got some stuff to play with.
7, 8, 9, 10,
Wait.
11, 12. They got 12.
All right.
Because 6 and 6 makes 12.
How about this? Count that. 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
No, this is just 12. Now, it's my turn. Yeah.
I hope what's inside. Maybe it's makeup. I love makeup, everyone. Because I always do my papa's face 5 times.
It's a bag and bag.
Ah, that's for Maria and Forrest G, right?
Yes. First, you got the bag again. Oh, there. Who's this? Come on.
Who's that from?
Kay...
First name only.
Ay, ikaw na lang mag-read.
You can do it. Sound it out.
Ikaw na lang. Oh, Maria, baby.
Sound it
Ikaw
out.
na lang.
What's this? What's this?
Ayan, that's my super. Oh, get this.
Baby, can you let Maria open that in case that's for her?
That's mine. This is mine.
Let Maria open it.
Oh, open
just in
that.
case.
That's mine. I know what this is. This is my son.
Force already ripped it.
Open it up. Hand it to him. Oh, that's yours. Yours is a pink one, right? He's got the blue one.
Forrest, give me.
And give Forrest G his blue one over there.
Oh, for us all.
Look,
This is yours.
everyone, there's a butterfly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same with blue, Forrest G.
Okay, well, baby, give the boy his. He's helping you out with the clothes there.
Forrest G, you have new backpack. Forrest G, you got a new backpack. Oh, Lord, Forrest. Forrest, why you like pink? You got in here. Forrest, look. Oh.
Folks, they will make a mess. They are making a mess. All right, Big Pumpkin, go ahead and try these on.
Shining, shimmering, splendid.
Okay, can we help Mama pick up the white t-shirts now?
This is the.
Thank you, Miss Angelica. for
Thank
the
you
wish
very
list.
much, Angelica. Thank you so much.
For the gift.
Thank you very much.
Is this from?
I have you want to
Is
wear.
this the? Now I have two lunchbox. Bag.
Thank you, Miss Angelica, for the wish list, for the gift.
You gonna wear your new shoes tomorrow, Big Pumpkin?
Ooh, nothing.
What?
May ano?
You sound like a
Yes!
chicken. Hey Patrick, thank you very much for thinking about the kids. Thank you very much. Angelica, thank you very much as well. Y'all just don't know how much you make their day. When they hear that doorbell ring and they look out and they see that trike, you just don't understand the excitement. Fatima, I took the kids for a walk. So I was out walking with Forrest G and Maria. And what'd you say? You said you heard the doorbell and you thought it was us?
Yeah.
Angelica sent the backpack and the sandals. Thank y'all very much. And it says our little family has been watching your little family since day one and love the channel. Hope we cross paths one day. Mr. and Mrs. Louisiana, thank y'all very much for watching our show and thinking about the kids. And then again, shout out to Patrick. Sent the socks and the tank tops. Thank y'all very much. All much needed items and all excitement again when they hear that doorbell ring. So thank y'all very much. Thanks to you watching our show. You allow me to live this lifestyle. Spend all my time around my kids. I certainly appreciate it. Certainly appreciate it. And Big Pumpkin.
Thank you. I got my uncle.
She's so excited about wearing her sandals tomorrow.
You can show to the ladies, Mommy.
That's right. You can show off to the ladies straight. You know what, baby? That looks like rich Filipina married to Rich Cano wear instead of Yaya wear. Beautiful. Anybody who's into feet. She looks good in them sandals.
This for the beach.
It's the smell of quality, baby. Something that you don't smell here. You know when you buy a new pair of shoes in America, you smell them, you know, they smell like new shoes. It don't smell like that here.
Use the stuff to play.
As usual, Forrest G says thank you very much for the Amazon box. He's got a boat to play in all night. Plenty of new toys. He's got his backpacks. He's ready to sail away. Where are you going to sail to, Buddy Rowe?
Maybe go to the... Maybe gonna find treasure.
Whoa, whoa, man, whoa. Forrest G's on the SS Touchdown. Like your box, buddy? Wow, man, that wasn't nice.